Hi guys! In this video we'll be introducing the solubility of salts before thinking about how we can make insoluble salts. And we'll finish off with a summary.
So, what do we mean when we talk about the solubility of salts? Salts are ionic compounds, and they come in two varieties, soluble and insoluble. Soluble salts are salts that can dissolve in water. And we can see an example of a soluble salt in this diagram. On the addition of water, the salt has dissolved in order to form what is known as a solution. A solution consists of a solvent and a solute. And a solution is formed when a solute, in this case a salt, dissolves in a solvent, in this case water. We can see what happens when a soluble salt dissolves in water by looking at the following diagram. In the left-handmost diagram, we have our salt drawn as a giant ionic compound. And we've also drawn out some water molecules. When the salt dissolves, the positive and negative ions that make up the salt become surrounded by water molecules. This happens because each water molecule is slightly charged. However, not all salts will break up in this way, and an insoluble salt is a salt that doesn't dissolve in water. If we produce an insoluble salt as a product in a chemical reaction, it will appear as a precipitate in a solution, where precipitate is just a name for a solid product formed from a solution. Therefore, a precipitate is insoluble. It doesn't dissolve in the solution, but remains as a solid. So, how do we know if a salt is going to be soluble or insoluble? We have some general rules which will help us predict the solubility of a salt.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.